Meet the V-TUF Mini HSV. Compact, powerful, and ready for everyday use. From home offices to busy households, this vacuum brings industrial strength to your space. The 300mm hard floor brush covers more ground fast, perfect for wood, tile and vinyl. With advanced HEPA filtration, it traps dust, allergens and fine particles, protecting your lungs. Switch to the carpet floor tool for deep cleaning with smooth, easy glide motion. Need precision? The soft bristle brush is gentle on delicate surfaces. And the crevice tool reaches tight spaces your old vacuum couldn't touch. Engineered for durability, designed for modern life. The V-TUF Mini HSV. Clean smarter, breathe easier. Get yours today.